video I'll try to answer to some of you that ask in the comment of other videos how I maintain my stuff in the field. Now basically this is the maximum I bring with me. If I'm out for a couple of days, what I bring with me is just the DC4, very well known pocket field sharpener, diamond and ceramic. I put on some compound on the back of the pouch, and it's okay if I'm, I don't know, up to 2, 3, 4 days. I'm going to have just this with me. If I'm going to stay more and I want to have a more refined stone to work on my blade, I have the CC4. The CC4 is a ceramic 4-inch stone. It's more fine than the ceramic is the same, but instead of the diamond you have this very fine ceramic. Is almost an owning stone, and I put a different compound in this pouch than in this, so I have 2 different compounds for stropping and 2 different basically 3 different stones to work my blade. If I stay in a situation where I want to have very fine edges, I have this small, very portable strop pouch, system. Are 2 pieces of leather, one with the 1 micron DBK compound and one with the 4 micron emulsion, poly diamond emulsion. It's very pocketable and it's okay. If I'm going to stay, for example, where I was deployed in Uganda, I believe, I was there for 9 months or 10 months, and what I had with me was the whole package. I had a big strop and also a piece of cloth with some Chinese chameleon oil. This one is from Boker, but you can buy from many different other company. And I bring with me also the 2 compound, not just, I don't just load the surface, I just bring with me. With this setup I can take care of my blade, that if they are stainless or not, with the camera oil. I don't know, it's not the perfect oil for the folding knife, but I mean, for me it worked well enough, especially with the Sebenza, with this kind of not fast deploying blade folder, but just these folders that have washers, and so anyway you're gonna roll slow the blade. Anyway, with this kind of package I can stay up to 1 year. Then when I'm at home I have a different setup. I have the Naniwa stone and different equipment to regrind knife, etc. Some you saw in my videos, etc. But when I'm in the field, this stuff is more than enough for me, even if I have to stay out pretty long time. I hope that this one can be interesting for you, and I'm curious to hear from you if you have different experience. Thanks.